everybody. A very good morning to each one of you. Welcome to Cochin Public School News Desk. I'm Naureen Fathima Sajid of Standard 7B, presenting you this week's news roundup. Let's see what we have in store for this week. Kerala news. State posts highest annual rainfall in 16 years in 2021. In 2021, the state logged its highest annual rainfall in 60 years and the sixth highest annual rainfall in the past 120 years. The India Meteorological Department said the state recorded an annual rainfall of 3,610.2 millimeter during the 12-month period, against the normal of 2,924.7 millimeter, an excess of 23.4%. Vice President launched NPOL'S underwater surveillance systems. Vice President 𝘊𝘭𝘶𝘣𝘬 lays the foundation stone of 𝘗𝘤𝘩𝘪𝑜 integration facility that is being set up at Naval, Physical and Oceanographic Laboratory in Kerala at 𝘊𝘭𝘂𝘐𝑗𝑣𝘏 near here on Sunday. The system would enable Indian Navy personnel in a graded manner to quickly advance their skills in interpreting and handling sophisticated readings from passive sonar, active sonar and underwater communication systems. Cochin University of Science and Technology to increase its green cover. The Cochin University of Science and Technology has introduced a slew of green measures, including setting aside an acre for planting trees, a butterfly park close to a large water reservoir on the main campus of the university is ready to receive its colorful guests, said the senior official of the university on Sunday. Besides, the university has also provided permission to grow vegetables on 5 acres behind the radar center. National news. India gives 5 lakh doses of Covaxin to Afghanistan. India began the new year by handing over 500,000 doses of COVID-19 vaccines to Afghanistan on Saturday. The consignment is part of a 1 million-strong vaccine supply that will be completed within the coming weeks. The Ministry of External Affairs has said it will be one of the largest ever humanitarian assistance projects from India to Afghanistan, consisting of wheat and other medicines to be organized in coordination with UN agencies. New Year. Indian armies exchange sweets with Pakistan Armies and Chinese troops at border points. The Indian and Pakistani army on Saturday exchanged sweets on the occasion of New Year. Srinagar-based army spokesman Colonel 𝘊𝘰𝘤𝘪𝑜 said the army, as a warm gesture, presented sweets to the Pakistan army at the crossing point and extended best wishes for the new year, displaying the will to maintain peace along the line of control. Indian and Chinese troops on Saturday exchanged sweets and greetings at 10 border posts along the line of actual control, including eastern Ladakh, to mark the new year. ICMR approves India-made kit to detect Omicron. The Indian Council of Medical Research has approved a testing kit for detecting the Omicron variant of the SARS-CoV-2 coronavirus. The kit is manufactured by Tata Medical and Diagnostic and is named 𝘊𝘰𝘤𝘩𝘪𝘯. The RT-PCR kit 𝘊𝘰𝘤𝘩 was earlier sent to ICMR for approval after continued testing. The kit will be used to confirm the Omicron in patients with its S-gene target failure strategy. India reports 1.16 lakh new COVID-19 cases on January 6, 2022. India reported 1,16,836 new COVID-19 cases on Thursday, the highest over 200 days, taking India's caseload to 3,52,25,699. according to the data released by the health bulletins of states and union territories. This is the first time in 7 months that daily cases have crossed the 1 lakh mark in the country. International news. World powers vow to stop spread of nuclear weapons. 5 global nuclear powers pledged in a rare joint statement on Monday to prevent atomic weapons spreading and to avoid nuclear conflict. We believe strongly that the further spread of such weapons must be prevented, said permanent UN Security Council members of China, France, Russia, the UK, and US, adding, a nuclear war cannot be won and must never be fought. Sports news. India wins Under-19 Asia Cup title. India steamrolled Sri Lanka by 9 wickets to win 8th Under-19 Asia Cup title. A disciplined bowling effort followed by Raghuvansh's half-century has helped India clinch their 8th Under-19 Asia Cup title at the Dubai International Stadium. Gritty Bangladesh scripts historic triumph. Abbott's spell helps team register its first ever Test victory in New Zealand. Fast bowler Abdul Hussain took a career best 6 for 46 as Bangladesh beat World Test champion New Zealand by 8 wickets in the first cricket test Wednesday, capturing its first ever win in New Zealand. Gutsy Elgar steers South Africa home. Skippers unbeaten 96 and his partnerships with 𝘊𝘭𝘮𝘪 and Bavuma helped level series 1-1. An old-fashioned warrior in the modern era, left-hander Elgar was captain courageous, undefeated on 96, guiding his team to a series-leveling 7-wicket win. This brings to the end of this week's news roundup. Thank you for your kind listening. Wish you a happy week ahead. My colleague from CPS News Desk will join you next week. Until then, goodbye. It's me, Naureen Fathima Sajid, signing off.